Hi, first grade. I hope you had a restful weekend. All right, so we're going to practice adding the same numbers. So let's look at this example. I want to know how many toys there are. So let's see. How many groups of toys are there? So this girl is asking how many groups of toys are there. So how many groups do you see? I see one group, two groups, three groups. There are three groups of toys. This boy is asking how many toys are in each group. So I know that there are three groups. How many toys are in each group? That means how many toys are in one group? There's two here. There's two here. There's two here. So in each group, there are two toys. How many toys are there all together? Well, we can just count the toys in the group. So we have a 2, and a 2. And we can add them all up and we get 6. We can count by twos, 2, 4, 6. That's one way to do it. We can also look at this number sentence as 3 twos, because how many twos are there? 1, 2, 3. There's 3 twos. 3 twos also make 6. You can also think of it as 3 groups of 2, because you see how many groups? 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. How many toys are in each group? 1, 2, 2. So you can think of this as 3 groups of 2 make 6. But did you know that when we talk about groups and talk about repeated addition, it's the same thing as multiplication? So 3 groups of 2 is the same thing as saying 3 times 2. The number of groups times the number of items in each group, which makes 6. Whoa, you guys just did multiplication. All right, and so there are 6 toys in all. Let's look at this other example. So these are some marbles, and there are how many groups in this picture? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups. Each group has how many marbles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each group has 5 marbles. Do you know the addition sentence here? We have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That is our addition sentence. It's repeated addition. What is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5? Well, I've been practicing counting by 5, so I think I can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. So there, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 makes 20. We can also think of this as how many 5s? 4 5s, and 4 5s also makes 20. We can also think of this as how many groups of 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 5, which is 20. And this is an addition, a multiplication sentence, isn't it? Just like we were learning, okay? What goes in these boxes to show this multiplication? We say the number of groups here times how many is in each group. So it's how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 5, because there's 5 in each group, which is 20. And you did multiplication. Whoa, that's awesome, first grade. So there are 20 marbles in all. Okay, it's your turn. Please pause the video and try this on your own, and let's get back together when you're done. Hi, you must be done. Okay, so let's take a look at this. We have an addition sentence here. We should write how many are in each group. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 4 in each group. So your addition sentence is 4 plus 4 plus 4, and that makes 12. Now, how can we get 12? Well, maybe you did it your way. I did it this way. I know that 4 and 4 make 8. So then now I have to add 4 more, and that makes 12. This is the same thing as saying 3 fours, because there's 3 groups here, or there's 3 fours here, is 12. And how many groups of 4 are there? There's 3 groups of 4, which is 12. And this is a multiplication sentence, which is 3 times 4 is 12. Whoa, you did multiplication again. Way to go. So there are 12 stars in all. Woohoo! You're doing good, first grade. Okay, pause the video and try this on your own. I'll be waiting. Okay, hey, you're back. So let's look here. We want to find the missing numbers here. They group these lemons by sevens, okay? So I'm going to see how many groups there are, okay? Where there's 7 in each. There's 1, 2, 3 groups of 7, okay? And so what you could do is to find the total. I did it like this, okay? Do you remember your doubles facts? Okay, 7 and 7 make 14. Then you add the other 7, and you can do vertical addition where you can stack up the 1s and the 10s. So let's add the 1s. 4 and 7 make 11. Now we're going to add the 10s. 1 and 1 make 2. So this is 21. Okay, so also 3 7s make 21. All right, let's look at number 2. A spider has how many legs? So means 1, just in case if you're a little bit confused by the picture, okay? So a spider, so one spider is how many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 legs. And so I see that there's 1, 2, 3 spiders with 8 legs. So my addition sentence is 8 plus 8 plus 8. And to figure that out, I use my doubles facts, which is 8 and 8 make 16. Then I added another 8, and I stacked them up like this. So 16 and 8 make what? So let's add the 1s. Okay, so 6 and 8 make 14. And let's add the 10s. 1 and 1 make 2. So it's 24. Okay, 3 8s make 24. 3 spiders have how many legs altogether? 24 legs. That's a lot of legs. Okay. Radical. Way to go. All right, this is your last one for today. So think really hard, try your best, and when you're ready, click play. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so our last one for the day. So an ant has how many legs? An ant, N in this case means 1. So let's look at one ant and count how many legs they have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so an ant has 6 legs. What is your addition sentence here? We got to do 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, and well, how am I going to add it? So I'm going to use my knowledge of my doubles facts. Okay, I know that 6 and 6 make 12. And here I have another 6 and 6, and that makes 12. Then I have another 6 and 6, and that makes 12. Okay, so now I'm going to add 12 and 12. Okay, so I stack them up like this, and I'm going to add the ones. So 2 and 2 make 4. 1 and 1 make 2. So this is 24. And then I'm going to bring down the plus sign, and I'm going to bring down the 12. Okay. And so now I have 24 plus 12. Okay, I'm going to do 24 plus 12 and see what that is. Okay, so let's add the ones. 4 and 2 make 6. Let's add the tens. 2 and 1 make 3. So that's 36. Okay, so 6 sixes is also 36. So 6 ants have 36 legs. All right. Well, take some time to practice today on your homework and enjoy the rest of your day. Please get some rest if you need some rest. All right, bye.